Life is a journey, not a destination. Very good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about professional development activities for English teachers. Before going to learn this topic, we must know what is teaching. Teaching is a noble profession because teachers literally create every other profession in the world. A Tamil poet says, அன்ன சத்திரம் ஆயிரம் வைத்தல் ஆலயம் 10,000 நாட்டல் பெண்ணருள தருமங்கள் யாவும் பேர் விளங்கச் செய்தல் அன்னை யாவினும் புண்ணியம் பலகோடி அங்கே ஏழைக்கோர் எழுத்தறிவித்தல். That is teaching. Swami Vivekananda also says, education is the manifestation of divine perfection already existing in man. So my dear student teachers, the teacher duty is not only teach the students but also you have to manifest the best qualities in them. Nowadays, most of the students have been using mobile phone. So they are well advanced. Therefore, if you are not updated yourself, you will be outdated. So day by day, you have to learn yourself. Now let's learn what is professional development. Professional development means a comprehensive and intensive approach to improving teachers' and participants' effectiveness in raising student achievement. Some of the professional development activities by which teachers can improve their quality of teaching. They are seminars, conferences, workshops, panel discussions, field trips, and projects. Now we will learn the first subtitle, Seminar. When teacher asks who are willing to take seminar, our reaction will be like this. Then when a teacher asks who is supposed to take seminar today, we used to point out he is supposed to take, she is supposed to take. Then when our friends take seminar in the class, we used to laugh and we used to mock. Though we have lot of fun in taking seminars, it's very important to promote our teaching ability. Now let's learn the meaning of seminar. A seminar is an instructional technique which involves generating a situation for a group to have guided interaction among themselves on a theme which is generally presented to the group by one or more members. Objectives of a seminar. Objectives are mainly divided into two types. The first one is cognitive objectives. The second one is affective objectives. Cognitive objectives means to develop the higher cognitive abilities, that is analysis, synthesis, and evaluation, and to develop the ability to seek clarification and defend the ideas of others effectively. Affective objectives means to develop the emotional stability among the participants of seminar, to acquire a good manner of putting questions and to answer the questions of other effectives. Roles of seminar technique. In organizing a seminar, the following roles are performed: organizer, president or chairman, participants, and observers. Role of organizer. Organizer will plan and prepare the whole program of the seminar. He will decide the theme. He will decide the speakers. Role of President. President will direct the whole program. Role of Speaker. Speakers will prepare the topic thoroughly. Xerox copies of papers are prepared and distributed. The speaker should be ready to defend the questions. Role of Participants. Participants should be well acquainted with the theme. They should appreciate the performance of the speaker. They should be able to put questions and seek clarifications. Role of Observer. Some guests and observers are also invited to observe the activity to observe how well the seminar is going on. Types of seminar. There are 4 types: mini, main, national and international level seminars. Mini seminar. A seminar organized to discuss a topic in class is known as mini seminar. Main seminar. Main seminars are organized in department level or institutional level. National seminar. National seminar is organized by an association at national level. International seminar. Such seminars are organized by UNESCO and other international organizations. Advantages of seminar method. Stimulation of thinking, tolerance of other views develops, cooperation with others develops, natural way of learning. Limitation of seminar. Seminar cannot be organized on all the content of subject matter. Technique cannot be used in all levels of education. Conclusion. Seminar is a method of teaching mostly used for higher education. It is an instructional technique which involves paper reading on a theme. It includes the group discussion to clarify the complex aspects of theme. The students learns to develop the ability of keen observation of experience and feelings of tolerance to the opposite ideas of others. Thank you, students. We will see in the next class.